All right then, so now what we have to do is let's jump into the admin home page. So we have to open the admin home. Let's open the home control. So basically this admin needs to take width, complete width, and height. Of course, it's going to auto, flex column, item center, and justify it in the starting position. And px it's going to be 4, py it's going to be 4. And let me enable the word wrap so we can see the complete screen. Save these changes. So over there, so first what I need to do, I need to bring the navigation container. So navigation container. All right, so this is the okay, this is the home container. This is the home, right? So basically this is home. So what we have to do is so this is the admin header, and this is the place where we are having the outlet and everything. So which means this is the home or the apps or users, whatever the pages it's been rendering. So this is the place where we need to bring that navigational container. The user, how he wish to navigation, everything that needs to be over here. All right, save these changes. Cool. So let's revert this back to just a div with home or something like that. Cool. Now here, inside here, what I'm going to do is, so first I'm going to bring a navigational, a link. This takes the users to where? To home. So I have to bring this from the React router DOM. All right, so save these changes, and here I need to bring for home or house. Save the changes. So now we have that house chimney. All right, that's looking good. So here this is class name, so text Excel. Save it. I think it needs to be a little bit bigger to Excel. Okay, on hover, text is going to be the hero color. All right, so now if the user clicks this, he will be navigated to the home screen. And right after here, what I need to do, this is not supposed to be flex column. Let's keep it as a flex itself. So it will come over here, item center, and let's keep it in the center position, center. Now it will be in the center, and the gap between each and every object, it's going to be 20 pixels, which means 5. Save the changes, and right after this link, I'm gonna bring a nav link from the React router DOM, and this is going to take the user to /admin/apps, and let's say it's an apps. All right, so if I click, that should take the user to the apps. So right now we are not inside, we don't have anything for that specific route, so it's not displaying. If I click this, let's take the user to there, and I need to bring the user to the home also. So this is going to be the dashboard, and that is going to take the user to /admin, which means admin. If I click the admin, we will be navigated there, and you can see home, dashboard, apps. If you click this home, you will be navigated to the main screen. If you click this dashboard, you will be navigated to the admin dashboard. If you click the apps, you will navigate to the app screen. And if you click this one more time as a users, you will be navigated to the users panel. All right, so now we have the 3 different things. Users, save the changes, and gap. Okay, so now for this class name, it's going to be a callback function, and inside it's going to have an object, and this callback function is going to so this is going to have an object called is active. That means if that route is active, so we have to display something. So is active, Okay. Okay, we can have a normal styles. So normally, what is the size it's going? What is the style it's going to be? Text LG. I think that's better. And text font semi-bold. Font semi-bold. Save the changes. All right, that's looking better. And if it is $sign, if it is active, then text color is going to be 0. If it is active, then text is going to be 0 primary. And you can see right now the home screen is active, so that's the reason it's showing as it's displaying it in a different color. And the gap between the each and object is, it's not a little bit enough, so I'm just going to keep it 12. So that's making good looking over there, right? So now we fix the navigation container. So just like the same way for the dashboards and apps and users, we have to bring a different containers inside. So let's get into the admin and yep, admin pages. Where is the pages over here? Here admin pages. We have admin home. So let's bring a new file called admin apps.jsx or AFCE, and let's create a new file admin users.jsx or AFCE. Save the changes, and let's export these things from the index.file. And just like the same way, copy and paste it. This is going to be admin apps, and this is going to be admin users. Copy this, paste it here, copy this, paste it here, save the changes. And now what I have to do is all we have to get back to the app.jsx. Just like the same way, I'm going to copy this and paste it. Instead of this, I'm going to say path. If the path is equals to apps, then it's need to take the users to admin apps. If the path is equals to users, then it should take the users to admin users. Save the changes. Now if I click the apps, admin apps will get loaded, and if I click user, admin users will get loaded, right? So if I click this dashboard, so still it's loading the same color. Maybe that's the problem, is because it's supposed to take the user to home. Apps, users, dashboard. Okay, so let's get reverted over here. That means the problem is over here. So the first index, it's always going to be we made it as a first index, always going to be as a home index, right? So instead of that, what we can do, we can change this to path2/home, right? So now we can see it's saying as this, and we'll change this over here as /home2. So now if I click the apps, it will work perfectly. So if I click here and if I come back to the admin/home, and now I will navigate it to the admin/home. You can see that's the link which we have. But the problem over here is if you're not mentioning it as an home, if you're keeping it as a first index, that means the first index will be the home page, then you might not get the active classes over there, right? It will show that active class every single time, because after that route only we are navigating to the apps or users or whatever it is. All right, so this is pretty much good enough. So now what we have to do is we have to get back to the home screen, and in the home screen, the place where we are going to display the complete information about that the apps, whatever which we created. So far we haven't created any apps, so we have to display the apps. If there is no apps, then we have to say no data, or else and at the top right corner we need to add an option to add new also, so the user can able to add a new admin user can able to add a new app, so he can save these details everything into the cloud. So that's what we need to do next.